What up? It's KTG. Hanging out with the family today.
What are we gonna get today, baby? Wake up.
Hey,
Cameron, what are we getting today?
Daddy Psycho.
Daddy Psycho.
Daddy Psycho.
I'm a starter, right? Yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up all of mine. I can't let you go. I'm right here, baby. Till the end, even if you leave, I will wait for you, and I hope you change your mind. Yeah, I can't have you by my side, but you playing all these games.
Hey, what's up? It's KTG. Today we are at Cycle Gear, and we're gonna look at some gear for Jana, and we brought some of the kids. We got Cam and and him. I guess we're looking for gear for Cam too, and Vivi. Oh, Vivi's posing, and so we'll probably get some boba tea. And so yeah, let's see if we can find some cool stuff. And I haven't been to Cycle Gear, so we'll check it out. I don't know, it's been open for a couple years.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
Cycle Gear. So get a boba tea first, and we always gotta stop for boba tea. You know, yeah, stop at chai time. Ooh. All right, we stopped for our boba tea. Now it's time to look for some gear. All right, first time at the shop. Check out this helmet. I know you would like this, Cameron. Look at this color right here, Cameron.
Oh my god.
Isn't that cool?
This one too.
No.
And that one. That's Daddy Psycho.
Daddy Psycho. Are you gonna go for something pink, babe?
Like this?
No, I just want all black. This shiny or matte? Matte, kind of like that.
The dull.
Like this. Ooh, this white one looks nice. Looks like a white ring.
There's like this one too, babe. See a white one? Oh, babe, this is what he wants right here.
Oh, that's so cute.
Maybe we can get on there.
And me.
That's cute.
Yes, and you. That or iPhone. That or you guys wear some shoes like this? Or do you like my boots better?
This one.
You like them boots?
Look at this one.
It's colorful. Oh, here you go, babe. This one.
Solid color. Nice and light.
Bike life and kids life together.
Subscribe to 612.
Yeah, now you zip it. It'll still be cool. Yeah. Okay.
The least amount I can grab is fine.
The better.
That's perfect right there. Like that's literally
A good amount.
not as much as like see the difference. between
Oh,
that and
yeah.
this. So that's fine.
Ooh, Pine Stars, what? Matching jacket?
Is it equal or is it one side hitting more than the other? Like a pressure point. Like
No, it feels fine.
feels equal?
that's for
Okay.
your
So I would
daddy.
say that would be your
That's for
size
your daddy.
in that helmet.
You shooting baskets right now?
They're doing them all.
So, yeah, and it's a little rough with the kids, shopping with the kids, but you did it.
At least we found
You did it. You got matching gear. Because, you know, that's a couple goals.
Subscribe. The notification bell. Subscribe.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A-turn.
Please subscribe. I'm ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are
Look for me. You about to be on there.
okay.